Hello, welcome to my Sunday From. Today I have these two packages and I'm going to open them and see what is inside of them. Here I have pizza crust mix. So this is like under $2 pizza crust mix, just as water. I love pizza, so I'm thinking about making pizza this week. And I was like, I want some fresh pizza. So there's that. And then this box. Hopefully this is my grocery haul. Looks like it is. Yeah. So I got, look at this. This was under $7. It's 2 pounds of chili with no beans. It says 15 grams of protein per serving. This is really good. It's just chili. I like this because you can make anything with this. It's like, for me, it's like meat. So it's shelf stable. It's 2 pounds for $7. You know, you can't really go wrong with it because it's already seasoned. Can't go wrong with that. Here I have my flushable, what are these? Are these flushable? These are refills for the toilet wand. I think I got the wrong ones. These, you throw these in the trash, they're not flushable. So I think I got the wrong ones. But, I mean, they're good because, like, you know why they're good, like, compared to the flushable ones? If you can't flush really well in your septic, this is perfect because, like, I mean, it's more hygienic, like, it cleans better than the flushable ones. But I mean, either way, as long as you get your work done, it doesn't really matter how you do it. But just remember to read which ones they are because you don't want to dispose of them incorrectly and mess up your system. So this came with 8 and this was under $6. Really good deal. Of course, these are two something, like under $3. These are electrolytes. This is my favorite lemon. I like the orange one, that's my favorite flavor, but the lemon one, like I like this one because it's like, to me it sounds alkaline, which is kind of like keto. So I kind of prefer it. And here, this is Diet Wheat Splash. It's the berry blend. It has vitamin C and B in it and 5% juice. So it has a bunch of different juices in there, vegetables like carrots and sweet potatoes, and also berries. So it's 5% natural berry flavored, and I think that's really cool. So I like to drink these. And of course I got the smaller one, so that way when I'm cooking dinner, just not a recipe, just dinner or lunch, just grab this and make whatever. Warm up some spaghetti. And these for my recipes, like home cooked meals too. Like, you don't have to work that hard, but also sometimes when I want a warm plate, like, I like to have everything in stock. So I got 2 this week. This is no salt added tomato sauce. These were 50 cents each. And these are three tray dinners, TV dinners for $6, about $2 each. Beef stew. Love beef stew, guys. I love it with noodles, with rice. I don't know how you guys eat it, but you can add stuff to it. And this is a 3-pack, like I said. Really good deal. Next is this medicine, and of course I got some relish. Just gonna restock a little bit. But, you know, gotta have relish on hand, all your condiments, right? And of course, I got that coconut milk. This is unsweetened coconut milk, so you can use it for savory dishes or sweet dishes, whatever you want. This is coconut milk. You just shake it up and boom, add it to your dish, and voila. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I really like my grocery haul. I actually added some things because, like, they're not all here. Obviously, I can't just cook with just, you know, a couple of ingredients. I like ordered other things, but they haven't got here yet. So I'll see you guys on the next video though, and like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you again soon. My Sunday front. Bye bye.